New details tonight on that missing Titanic submersible. Despite a broadened search today, still no visible sign of the vessel, but there are reports of sounds detected. As an expert we spoke to says that window of opportunity is quickly closing.
Search crews desperately looking for the 5 people trapped inside a submarine that vanished in the Atlantic Ocean might have gotten their first break after hearing possible signs of life coming from the vessel. According to CNN, citing an internal U.S. government memo, the crews detected banging noises in 30-minute intervals over their sonars emanating from inside the North Atlantic Ocean Tuesday after the submarine disappeared 2 days earlier while on a tourist exploration to see the Titanic wreckage.
Right. And when you look at Titan was really built for this one mission. It was really designed to dive down that. If you look at its maximum depth, it's the maximum depth basically of Titanic. But in the commercial world, we see submersibles being used in laying of cables in the offshore.
The internal memo said additional sonar devices were also deployed Tuesday, picking up even more banging, although it was unclear how long the second batch of sounds lasted.
Square miles had been searched off the coast of Cape Cod.
It's a challenging operation.
The submersible lost communication less than 2 hours into its Sunday journey to the Titanic, about 13,000 feet below. Rolling Stone reporting an aircraft heard banging sounds at 30-minute intervals.
Additional acoustic feedback was heard and will assist in vectoring surface assets and also indicating continued hope of survivors, CNN reported, quoting the internal document.